Hello, we're the Cash Crew, and a problem statement is an AI-powered mobile platform for democratizing sports talent assessment, namely Project Eklavya. Our theme is fitness and sports, and our category is software. Let's talk about a problem statement. Sports talent assessment is often inaccessible, subjective, and expensive. We often see in rural areas that people who are talented in sports don't get the recognition they deserve, or they lack the financial means possible to visit sports talent centers where they can hone their talents and get noticed by recruiters. Our solution takes care of exactly that. The user will attempt a set of standardized fitness tests, namely running, sit-ups, jumps, etc., using only their smartphones. This data will be collected and stored in our servers, and it will be sent to the Sports Authority of India, where they can directly shortlist people based on their skills. These standardized tests can prove to be a boon for these people. A key value proposition is that it democratizes sports evaluation for any smartphone users. It's accurate, cheat-proof, and there's real-time performance monitoring. Let's talk about our technical approach. The user will onboard on the app, and it will be followed by a face selfie verification, and he can go on to fill his own details like name, phone number, email, address, and different details. Once he has logged in on the app, he can choose any of the different tests, and our on-device AI movement analysis tool will monitor his entire exercise, and it will store all his test scores to his server. The app will also provide real-time feedback of like the user does not have a good posture, or it's not being able to map correctly, and it will be stored in our backend after that. Once it's stored in our backend, it can be accessed through our dashboard by sports officials through their credentials. They can review those scores, and they can directly shortlist or call them for individual interviews. Our tech stack is Flutter for the mobile application, TensorFlow Lite for pose estimation, the backend and Fast API, the server, the back database in PostgreSQL, and the admin dashboard will be in React. Uh, let's discuss about the feasibility and viability. The device limitations can be addressed with reduced frame rate and resolution for low-end devices, and challenges are like there's tailored pose logic for each exercise. There's an asynchronous inference for low latency and minimal battery use, and adaptive AI sampling to conserve device resources. Our end goal is providing real-time accurate fitness assessment on affordable smartphones. It can support various fitness tests with this support to add more later on. It can empower millions of aspiring athletes with visibility and recognition, as I said, and it can also support government in actually choosing viable candidates for representing India on a global scale. And these are some of the research we have conducted, and we have attached all of these in our presentation. Now, let's see a demo of how the system will map the exercises. For mapping the exercises, we have built this program using CV2 media pipe, and we will be importing this into TensorFlow Lite to run on smaller devices, and it will run the following way. It will first ask you for your height, 160, weight, 54, age, 19, exercise, I'll choose one, for example. If I choose sit and reach, it will first open the camera, and you can see here, I'll press S to start calibration. It will first calibrate according to my body. As you can see, my entire body is mapped. I'll just turn it a bit down so it will capture my entire body. Yeah. So Now my entire body is mapped. I can now press S to map my exercise. So I'll press S again and it will start my session. When I sit down, it will map the exact reach between my hands and my feet. You can see that. So this was just a demo, and you can see it maps the posture and my hand movement precisely.
So, in this way, we'll be migrating our media pipe model into TensorFlow Lite, which will run on low end devices with minimal battery and network usage. So, it will be completely on device, so there's no friction whatsoever. Thank you for your time.